Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I'm aging ethically, and today I'm going to be doing a look inspired by the color red. Red is the color of love, it is the color of strength, and I just happened to see some really cool red things in the store, and I thought I wanted to play around with this color today. We're going to be using NYX Vivid Brights colored liquid liner in Vivid Fire. Oh, I can't wait to do a red wing. I cannot wait to do a red wing. We're also going to be using Colourpop's Volumizing Mascara in shade Left on Red. Ooh, how cool is that? Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Guys, it says who's ghosting who on it, and I did a whole video on being ghosted or getting ghosted a few weeks ago, and I'm going to link it right up here. I can't believe it says that on this. Why would it say that on this mascara? It's not the color. The color is Left on Red, Volumizing Mascara, Colourpop BFF. Who's ghosting who? Oh my gosh, I love this even more now. But look at this. Oh, wow. It's a really deep red, so I'm really super excited to try this mascara. This is really, really neat, guys. These are, of course, vegan and cruelty-free recyclable packaging, which is magnificent. And I am going to be reviewing some of this new e.l.f. JELLYPOP cosmetics. This is the first product I'm going to use today. This is a Dew Primer. Ooh. It's supposed to help the makeup stick to my face, which, okay, hopefully that works. We have a Flush blush. It's a jelly sort of blush. We'll get into that. And a Face and Eye Icy Pop gloss. So what this is probably like a jelly, sort of a highlighter. So that's really cool. All right, let's get into this look. Come on, JELLYPOP. I love e.l.f. and everyone loves e.l.f. because they have vegan and cruelty-free products and they're very, very affordable. This is a plastic packaging, which, you know, not too happy about that, but I am very happy that this is vegan and cruelty-free. It is a jelly-like behave substance here, and it has like almost like a fruity sort of a scent to it. I can't quite place it, but it's like almost like fruity, not strawberry, but it's really nice. Goes on quite nicely. Ooh, yeah, it is very sticky. You know when you put primer on, you let it set for like a moment. This is very tacky. Look at how it goes. Look at that. Oh, oh. Love that. Oh, and I already have my brows done. I did a video previously this afternoon doing soap brows, model soap brows, and I'm going to keep them for this look. I'm going to link that video above. Now for some foundation, I'm going to be using Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie. This is in shade LG6. I have BH Cosmetics flat foundation brush. It is very dirty and don't come for me. Really quickly, before this foundation fully sets, I'm going to put a little concealer under my eyes, and I'm using the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer in shade C6. I don't know how I don't have that memorized, what shade it is, because it's the only one that I use, but I always have to look at it, so there you go. And before this foundation cracks, I'm going to set it using the Pure Translucent Loose Setting Powder. We are going in with a contour. gonna combine these two guys here. Just kind of lift up here. Just create a little shadow right under my cheekbone. I'm gonna hit the little jowls right here. I like to contour right where my cheek is starting to dip a little bit. And it's a fun little way, an illusion, if you will, of creating a smooth sort of line, my jawline here. But you just have to be careful when you do this, when you go out in fluorescent lighting, you go out in daylight, that you don't have like these dark lines, you know. It's one thing it's one thing in the privacy of your home or in your boudoir, or in your vanity, or wherever you're putting on makeup. You can have bright lights. Like I have very bright lights here, but it still just doesn't simulate sunlight or office light. So you just want to be really careful that you blend in your contour in these unnatural places. I'm going to be very simple and neutral and I guess kind of boring with my eyeshadow color, because the real star here is going to be that NYX Red Wing. So what I want to do is just do like a beige or brown sort of eye and then accent it with that really bold red wing. I'm using my little Nubian mini palette by Juvia's Place. And I love this palette so much. It's just so wonderful. It's just the easiest neutral toned eye look that anyone can do with this little palette right here. And it was on the aisle in Ulta when you're checking out and they have all the little miniature sized cosmetics. This is where I found this baby. I'm gonna take this shade down here and I'm gonna take it right in the crease. Nice. I'm going to go a little heavier with this shade on the end. And unfortunately with the mini palette, I don't have the names of the shades, which is unfortunate. Maybe it was on the box, but I've thrown the little box away a long time ago. So I'm just gonna go right in the crease and deepen it. I'm going to take that first shade again that I used as a transition. I'm going to go underneath my eye. All right, very simple, very basic. I'm going to repeat this on the other eye and I'll be right back. I have the desired effect of shadow that I was hoping for. I'm going to grab some e.l.f. tape and I'm going to tape up my eyes to prepare for our super fun and cool, bright, vivid red wing. I say that that's the trickiest part of doing a wing, is just, you know, making them even. Some people can do them effortlessly. Sometimes I can do them effortlessly. It depends on the day. I've been doing wing style eyeliner for decades, no exaggeration. And they come out different every single time. It's like I'm a novice every single time I do it. So I think that's the curse of the wing liner, and I've accepted that in my life and I'm not mad about it. And in case you missed the beginning portion of this video, this is one of the featured products that I'm using today. This is the NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner in the shade Vivid Fire. I could not resist. I would like to say that I own a good portion of the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner. In fact, I love this style of brush and the fact that it comes in all of these different fun oh, that's so cool. The fact that it comes in all these different fun shades is just magnificent to me. Oh, oh, that's cute. me just scoot around this side. And when this product dries, it is not a bright red, but it is lovely. All right, I'm gonna remove my tape. Ooh. Oh, that's so satisfying. Ooh. Oh, I love it. This is so cool. This Colourpop Volumizing Mascara in Left on Red, and it says who's ghosting who. Oh, I can't get over that. Oh, look at that. And I even like the shape of this wand. Look at that. It's kind of curved in the middle. That's really neat. Now, I know my camera is not going to pick up on this, but it is a very subtle red on the tips of my lashes. So it's coating my lashes, obviously, but it's not like a neon red by any means. You can definitely tell that I'm wearing red mascara, but it's not like obnoxious. Oh, so cute. Oh, I love this so much. And I think that's it for the eyes. That's about as eccentric as I want to get with the eyes today. I think that looks super cool. Now I'm going to dive into this e.l.f. JELLYPOP Flush Blush Berry Pop. That's a mouthful. It's a hydrating watermelon infused JELLYPOP. Oh, that's what that, wait a second. You know that primer, you guys, that I use, that Dew Primer? I said it had like a fruity sort of a note to it. It's watermelon infused. That makes a lot of sense. Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah, hydrating watermelon infused JELLYPOP collection. So the whole collection is watermelon infused. Wow. Kudos to the e.l.f. team for constantly coming up with new sort of products, innovative and inexpensive, vegan and cruelty-free. Oh, how neat. Okay, so as you get, ooh, I just want to put this here just in case, but like that's the blush. Would you? Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, I have no idea how to apply this. I've never used a blush product like this, so I'm just gonna take my finger and dip it into the product. It seems like that would be a lot. It seems like that's a lot, but I'm gonna try it anyway and just kind of work it in. Yep, it smells like fruit. It smells like watermelon. I'm going a little more liberally with it now, being that I made one pass. It's very sheer. It has a shimmer to it, which, you know, having a shimmer blush for mature skin actually works. The light sort of picks up the shimmery mica and it actually accents your cheekbones that much more. So for mature skin, you know, it's nice to have that little extra boost, if you will. What's really neat, it's like a dusty rose sort of color. Ooh, very, very subtle, and you can definitely, you could probably almost wear this. You could probably wear this on your eyes too, I would imagine. Would be a really neat sort of a jelly pigment shadow. That'd be fun. And I probably could have used a brush, but I wanted to give it a go with my fingers so that I could try to control it if things went awry. Oh gosh, I love that smell. It's not like Jolly Rancher candy watermelon. It's like almost like fresh watermelon smell. It's quite nice. onward to e.l.f. JELLYPOP Face and Eye Gloss. This is Icy Pop. I'm guessing this is a jelly highlighter. It's very glittery. Like I see a lot of glittery mica in it. This is what the package looks like. Ooh, oh, did you see that? Oh, that's so cool. This one is a very subtle watermelon scent to it. Oh, it's hard to pick up with my lights. They're so bright. But there's it's a clear jelly with silver fine glittery mica. And it's quite thick, as you can see. Quite thick, like it holds that peak. All right, going right on the cheekbone itself. Yep, we have a wet look, indeed. This texture of this product is very tacky, whereas the blush absorbed almost immediately. This seems like it will have to dry down a little bit. Cool. Let me put a little on the bridge of my nose just to see. And I'm going to list all these products down below with the prices as well. Yeah, it did create that really kind of wet sort of sheen, and you can put it on your eyes to create that wet look as well, but I don't want my eyeshadow to crease. A lot of times when you use products like that, it makes your eyeshadow crease up on you and actually like crack like right in the, I hate that look. So I don't know if this will do it, but I don't want to mess up my little eye look, so I'm just going to use this as a highlighter for now. And I don't know if you could tell, but right there you can see like it is super wet look shiny. And I realized I just forgot to contour my nose today, which is fine. We don't have to contour the nose every time. Really loving these products, guys. Love it so much. I was going to use a neutral lip, like a beige lip, but that's kind of boring. I think I'm going to complete this look with a red lip. I'm going to use Jeffree Star's Velour liquid lip in, drumroll please. Hi, how are ya? Oh. It's been a while since I've worn this Velour liquid lipstick, and I've forgotten that it has a little bit of glitter in it. I am absolutely in love with the way this turned out. I adore these products that I purchased, you guys. I have to say, I love everything that I used today. The NYX liner is bomb. I love everything about this NYX liquid liner, and especially, regardless of what color it is, I love this brush style tip. It just works so magnificently and effortlessly. For me, it's my favorite kind of eyeliner to use. This Colourpop red mascara is magnificent. At Ulta right now, they have this mascara in different colors, but I had to get the red one. It's so cool. All of these e.l.f. jelly products are magnificent. I have to say, I'm so thrilled with them. I really love this Dew Primer. I think you saw in the beginning how tacky this really made my skin and how it prepared me for my foundation, and I absolutely love this. The blush is super fun. I love the fragrance. I love the texture of this. The face and eye gloss is kind of interesting. It's a fun little highlighter. I'm pleased with every single thing that I've shown you guys today. This has been such a pleasure to film. I don't want to take this makeup off. I feel kind of like devilish and a little naughty, if you will. So I might just keep this on for a little bit longer tonight. Thank you so much for joining me, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased.